All right, so we're back at it today. So today is we're gonna try to get the bed fitted. The biggest issue with the bed is that there's these pieces in here that stop it. You can't see all the way through, and I got to get this piece of metal in there. So that's gonna. This one you can see through, but it is that the little wood stake thing needs to get removed. So that's gonna be the end goal. So I want the bed sitting on the truck, semi-mounted. So I gotta adjust for the floor still. So I'll play with that. But I guess it's time to get after it. You ready, Isaiah?
100% ready to go.
Let's do this. Dude, I missed.
You went too low? A little higher, Eli.
Are you serious? Well, that sucks.
The first one to move, huh?
That's a spot weld. Ugh.
Might fit from the top.
Doesn't fit, bro. I'm gonna have to cut the whole thing off.
Why don't you just bend it?
Oh, wait, hold on.
How much metal are you gonna use? That is pretty impressive, Eli, not gonna lie.
So I can get to the top?
Yeah.
Think I can get to the top?
Most probably. Or, you know, it might tip over. Dang.
Alright, well I guess I gotta cut the rest of this off.
Now it bends. Well, you're gonna be able to get this out, buddy?
It's tight in there.
Oh. I can see that.
Why is it so tight? Well, maybe because I was hanging on it.
You did, you know, just climb up all the way to the top with it not falling.
It's not even that far in there. There we go. We're done playing.
Nice. Mission successful.
Alright, back to cutting. Cool.
Cool. That looks a lot shorter at the bottom. Oh, no. It's good.
Oh, there's another piece up here.
Really?
Yeah.
Is it all folded? Oh, it is all folded.
Might have to try to get that. We should be able to get that one off though.
Yeah.
Here, you can show the people what I'm cutting.
Oh, the sun, it's so bright.
So to get the square tube to fit inside here, because this folds in to give the bed some structure in the corner. So I'm gonna cut this off so I can fit the tube, but then I'm gonna weld it in because that's gonna be a structural piece for the future bed mod. So I can get rid of
Do you
that.
have to cut the other side too?
Huh?
Oh, the other side is up. Wait, yeah, there's a.
Yeah, there's one in there. I don't know. Maybe the tube might fit. I don't know. We'll find out.
Need a step stool, buddy?
No, I need to cover the windows on that car.
Oh.
That works. I'm short, dude. Short people problems.
Short people problems. Jack stands. Step stool. Down she goes. Aren't you gonna have to do that on the other side anyways?
Yeah, but I'm gonna do one side so I have an idea of what I'm doing. And then on the other side.
Makes sense. One side at a time.
What did you say?
One side at a time, I'm guessing?
Well, yeah, well, I've done this before, so I'm just winging it. I don't know what I'm doing. Alright, so after our measurements, we figured out 30 inches is what we need. So this just happens to be a 10-foot square tubing. So I'm going to cut that into 4 30-inch sections, then I'll use the whole tube. And that one of each will go into each corner. So some TV magic, make this speed up. Alright, so we got this one in. That's kind of how it looks. So now what we're going to do is mirror that side. So Isaiah's going to cut this one. Alright, go for it. There you go. There it goes. Well, we just need to remove that.
Another 30. Side do you want?
Says this one fit. It probably won't. Yep, same. We're gonna go pull that one out.
Up she goes.
Hold on, you gotta take that one out before it falls. All right, big boy, lift it up. Oh, hold on, put it back down. We gotta hammer it down. Or can we pull it out? Can't see. It's so nice. Look how flat it is. Well, let's try to get rid of it. All right, put it back down and try to hammer it out.
Oh, my muscles were used for no reason.
Yeah, go ahead. Dude, did you just do that with one arm?
One arm.
Oh man, you're so strong.
Freaking jacked.
Cut that out. Sweet. So Isaiah right now, he's doing the pilot holes. So I drilled these 3 here. He's drilling 3 over there. So we're gonna do spot welding. Well, stud welding. I don't know what it's called. We're gonna weld that to the post. Okay, so we got the first one set up to these spot welds. Gonna weld that, and then I'll weld up here these 3, and then I also can do some welding in here. I'm gonna move this clamp further down once I get these spot welds done. But for the most part, I wish I had more clamps and better clamps, but it is what it is. I probably should just did spot welds in case it needs to change. Whoops.
I probably should have. Too late now.
Oh, I didn't clean this spot. That's not good.
Rookie mistake.
Cool. That's one tube in. Do the other one?
Another one.
Alright, so you just seen us weld that together. So next is we're just going to rinse and repeat and do this side. And hopefully it should be in there like that. Alright, so got the front done, so now we're gonna work on the back. So this is my side. Isaiah picked the nice square straight side.
The better side.
So I'm gonna slit that all the way down to that other piece of metal that's down there, and then cut it up somehow and try to bend this out something. I don't know, I have to figure something out on that. But here we go. Just straight down, yeah. How's she looking?
I'm more on the side.
Yo, bro.
Yeah.
We're on installing the metal. Into here's. This one's so bad. Maybe we can do yours first. Where's your metal?
My side is pretty popping.
Oh, where'd I put it? Oh, I'm hungry, dude. Da, 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 da. So Isaiah's gonna get some more practice in.
Alright, ready?
Yeah, go for it. Do you want to wear gloves and double-handed? Because you're free-handed, that's why you're terrible.
Gloves are ideal.
That's good. Hey, that looks good.
Dude, I could see.
Oh, dude, crazy. All right, do the other one.
Wow, this is what sight looks like, huh?
Ew, why is your stuff growing?
Why is it? I've been set up.
All right, so all 4 of these are done now. So now we have to rotate it around to get it. No, actually, no, it's fine. We just stand it up this way. No, we're good. We're standing it up this way. It'll be fine. And then we're just gonna try to get it on the bed to see where things line up now. Hold on, I'm short. Alright, ready?
Yep. Go higher, buddy.
Did I say I'm short? I mean I'm weak.
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah.
Alright, so this is where we're at right now. So it looks like it needs to go down about an inch, so seems like I'm gonna have to cut an inch out of this, but I need to center this. So from here, I said I was gonna cut about an inch off, so I did 3/4, so I always can cut more. So now we're just gonna lift up the bed so I can get this cut taken care of. Whoa, that was dangerous. Alright, let's try it again. That's the 48 Continental jack. We're gonna do round 2 to lift it up because we're being lazy. You got it?
Yep. Go.
Dude, that tailgate's heavy, boy. Hold on. Let's go back. What are you doing? Hold on.
Eli, I have most of the weight, I swear.
Hold on. Hey, we're good. Let it go. Hey!
It's on your tires, is that fine?
Yeah, that's fine. Let's just make sure.
Holy crap, Eli. I swear, Eli.
Oh, look, I'm using this little mount right here.
I swear, Eli. Most of the weight's on my side.
Oh. Alright, so I cut an extra 1/4 inch off the bottom of both sides, so it's going to drop a little bit more, but then I'll adjust it to where I want it. Now we need to get the floor in, so maybe we should just take it off. Yeah, I'll probably just take it off and then get the floor in. So I welded the factory mount back on for the bed. This is just temporary, so this thing will sit on that side. So got this one and that one. We made it.
Oh, it hurts.
Push it forward. Alright, got my mount, so I'm just gonna weld it here. I'm just gonna tack it for now because I'm gonna have to probably rip this off again because I want to do bolts and stuff. So I'm just gonna tack it till this bed stops moving. I understand where it's gonna be, and probably gonna call it a day from there.
Never nice. Nice.
The bed is on there. It's not going. I tacked weld that's on there. So I was messing with the hitch. So the hitch is gonna have to be behind the tailgate because when the spare tire comes down, it's gonna take up that space. So that's gonna go be recessed. I'm gonna chop the frame rails and then I'm gonna add these bumperettes here. I'm gonna cut this off and then put it right here and cut this, so it's kind of like a rock slider for the rear, but it's gonna be a bumper. But I know this guy's hungry, right?
Yes.
Got any last words before we sign off for today?
Whenever you work too hard, eat some food.
Oh, words of wisdom. So we're gonna go eat some food. You guys have a great day. Thanks for watching. Later.